Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
O'Brien!
I'm trying to make a video! Hi, it's me again. Brian, Sparky's model Salvage. So as you can see, I started another one, okay? Yeah. Some of you kit collectors are gonna hate me for this one, but you know what? It's fine. I don't care. Hate me, okay? Hate me all you want. Yeah, that box is sealed. I think right now these things go for about 70 to 80 bucks on eBay. I'll put it up there. Yeah, I don't care. I know what I want to do to this. So, yeah, just don't hate me, okay? Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. So I got some ideas for this. I'm trying to think of what I've been wanting to do exactly. It's gonna be another field find, of course. Just to let you know, I'm not like, if I would have found this kit built already, I would feel a little bit more like okay to like go ahead and do what I do, but yeah, it's time to get the Dremel out. So I'm not gonna like completely grind everything off of this, okay? But I do want to do like a little bit of rust around the doors, like some holes, maybe a little back in here and a little back in here, you know, type of thing. I'm gonna do a vinyl roof on this. You guys have not seen me do a vinyl roof yet, so that's gonna be different. All it is just masking tape. It's not really, it's not anything, you know, crazy. So, but yeah, it's gonna be rusty, so, but it's gonna look so freaking cool. So just deal with it, okay? So that's all I really wanted to do to that as far as holes. I didn't want to make it all crazy. Just give it a couple, you know, and I plan on a lot of my rust is just going to be that stuff there. The Vallejo rust stuff. So it's gonna be a couple different colors. I'll paint like I'll paint the front clip different color than the back, and you know the top's gonna be of course black. So I have some rips in the top, and yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and get all the anything that's part of the body off of this, off these sprues, sand them down and get them in some primer. Everything in primer. I need a primer. So before I do anything else here, oh yeah, by the way, it's dry. That was like, I don't know, an hour in the food dehydrator, and I mean, yeah, that's dry. So I decided I'm going to paint the back green, front clips white. I think that'll look cool. All right, so gonna go ahead and start with taping everything off here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm sitting here contemplating like what exactly I want to do here. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tape all this stuff off first. I'll start on the back half and do that the green. Top one's gonna be done last. So get to it. Green's done. About time to tape that off and spray the white. Blah, 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 blah. So here we are, back in the pooping station, after Ophelia was just in here again. I'm gonna have to start ordering gas masks or something. This is god awful. I'm gonna start out with that. Go down to the 600, but I want to see what this does here first. So the sanding didn't go quite as well as what I thought. So I had to go to Hobby Lobby and get, where's it at? This paint. I thought it pretty much matched pretty good. This is what I got on Google, you know, for like the colors, which is cool, but it took 3 coats. So when you're trying to do the hairspray method, it doesn't really work too good. And for some reason, the white didn't come out the way I wanted it to on the front. But that's all right, because it's still going to work for what I want. So it's just fine. It'll be fine. And there's the interior. That's all I'm going to do on that. If you watch my videos, you know I don't do much on the interior. I mean, the center console looks like the best it's ever gonna get. I think that might be wrong on the back. That I don't know, okay? I'm not a Mopar expert. I go off of like reference pictures on Google, and I think I'm not gonna redo that. It looks fine. All right, just deal with it. So at this point in this video, this is where I do the vinyl top on it, okay? And I did a separate video on how I made the vinyl top, and go watch that. It's that video right there, okay? Go watch that video. It's actually pretty freaking hilarious. Me and my wife did a little skit in there that we were crying because we were laughing so hard. And at the end of the year, we're going to have a bloopers reel too. So, because we screwed up in it, and it's funny as shit, okay? So just go watch it. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. That looks good to me. Okay. So now, do all the trim. Here lately I've been using, my nose is itching like crazy. Hobby Lobby metallic paint markers. Seem to be working pretty good. So, we'll get on that, let that dry, and then get on to the next thing. That's fine. I will fix that later. Just let it dry. Oh, I gotta do that too. Okay, I gotta do that, and then let it dry. Do the same thing over there. Yeah, I'll fix it. It's not that big of a deal. Then get to the rest of it. And do the lights to it. God, I keep on forgetting stuff. I am absolutely horrible at putting decals on. Well, I mean, I'm not that bad, but I'm just saying this could easily go the wrong way, and if it goes the wrong way, well, then I'll just have to figure something out. So hopefully I can do this. As you can see in the picture, you can see the result, but I don't know, just keep watching. I don't think that turned out too bad. So hopefully it's dry. I know this ain't the typical way you do things when you do decals, okay, but this is how I do things and screw it up, okay? So, like, that's the only way I can really describe it. So, yeah, just deal with it. Alright, whatever. Alright, so I cut around the headlights where they flip up. And as you can see, I took some of the decal off. That's fine because this is weathering, okay? I'm going to make it look worse on purpose. So, gonna let that dry now completely. And let it sit for quite a while. So we all know how that glue on the back of those decals work. They take a while. So now I'll move on and start working on something else here. I'm gonna try and fix this around here in these areas. Make that look better, clean it up. What I'm gonna do is just scratch off some of the chrome here off the paint with the knife and see what that does. Yeah, it's getting too deep. All right, so what we have to do is I have to get this paint back out. I'm just gonna have to hand paint the black back on there and see if I can get it to butt up pretty good and go from there. So, if you watch you watch all my videos, you know I like to use this a lot. I don't think I'm gonna do it on this one quite yet. I don't think I'm gonna do that. You know, I do need to get the motor bay done. I think I'm just gonna do that black like I always do every other one, you know, just so I'm not good at doing the motor bays. So yeah, that's just gonna be black. But anyways, not gonna use this. I'm just gonna go across it with some of the black on this just to see how it comes out for right now. And yeah, just experiment with this for a little bit, see what happens. I'm liking that. All right. Just kind of wanted to see how this would look with this on here. So yeah, I'm going to keep on going with that. But yeah, I do got to put some of this bottle wash in that little vent thing. What, I can't remember what. There's a name on the cowl. On the cowl. I can't remember the name of that. Okay. Anyways, I do gotta put some of that. I might stick some somewhere else. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. And yeah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Alright, motor bay, black. I'm gonna paint the wheel wells black. I do like that look though. That looks pretty cool. Of course I'm gonna do that to both sides. Probably have to put some rust in the spots that I sanded out. That's fine because I gotta do the little rust holes down there too. And on the other side. So get to that, keep moving on. Paint all this black. Gonna go ahead and paint the exhaust the right color. I might actually chop it off here and just have it come out the side. I know it's not right, but you know, I don't know. I don't know. Let's keep going here. So I continued with this stuff, black and brown, and did the front clip right there, and did the hood, and around the headlights where they flip up, just use the back of the X-Acto knife and just kind of peel off some of the decal there to expose some of the white. And yeah, it's getting there. Okay, I know I missed the piece under there. It's over here. It's in that box. Gotta do that. So continue. So I am actually doing a motor in this, which is insanely crazy if you watch my videos. Using that, I'm just, you know, just making it dirty. It's not going to be anything special. So, if you watch all my videos, you've seen that video right there, how I do my chrome. So now I'm taking this model wash, like I always use, and getting the insides of that done. And all I'm doing is just basically taking this, just basically dabbing it in there, just like that. Doing that, coming back with a rag, just kind of let it soak up. Just getting all those like deep points in there. I'll do this a couple times until I get it to the point where I like it. I know it's not perfect, but you know, you see how I do things, okay? It's, you know, I know there's better ways of doing this, but this is my way, okay? Just keep watching. Getting closer. Yeah. This is just basically assembly. Why can't I talk right? This is basic assembling. So you don't need to see this. You know, I mean, yeah, I put the chassis in there and got the windows, I mean, the interior tub in there and put the windows in and gotta put some rust on there now. So I'm gonna do that now, since I should have did that before I put the interior tub in there, but you know, oh well. It happens. This is on. I thought I was gonna cut off the exhaust, but I was like, you know, the heck with it. Painted the exhaust. I actually did the underneath somewhat. It's amazing. So, yeah. I'm gonna keep going here. There it is. Done. I think it was fighting with me to the end. There's a couple things on this that I could have done a little bit better, of course. Like everything else, but, you know. It's good. It's fine. I just glued the bumper on there. I didn't even do really anything with that bumper. God. The hell. Still looks cool. I like it. And hey, if you were watching my videos, look at this. I even did the underneath. Put the exhaust together. Nah, it's not the best, but... And then... Yeah, I forgot to weather that, but... You get the point. No wires, whatever. It's good. As long as I'm happy, right? Sweet. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, I don't know what's up next here. Got a lot going on. So I don't know. Just keep watching. Just go subscribe, okay? It's not that hard. Just hit a button. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?